Hello, this is Sharath, and in this video, we are going to discuss regarding a project called AI Chatbot. So, this is for a 50-degree Celsius summer internship program by the Intern Academy in the domain of Python projects. Let's see the problem statement. So, task is create a chatbot and train it with basic intro questions. Create a space where user can type questions and chatbot will answer them. It is a live chat between user and chatbot. The chatbot should give different answers for same questions. It means it should have a variety of answers for a question. So basically we need to build this kind of a chatbot. Let's see the code. Yeah. So here's the code. We are in this project we will be having two kinds of files. One is the main.py in which we script the code, and the other is intents.json file. Here we basically put all the tags and the patterns and responses, basically the main plain data. So let's see here. First, the tag is greeting, like we just kept a tag, and the pattern would be hi, how are you, hello, good day, what's up. For all these kind of patterns, we want the response to be either hello or good to see you again or hi there, how can I help. So we want these kind of responses for these questions. And for a goodbye kind of patterns, like see you later, goodbye, I'm leaving, have a good day, for these kind of things we want these responses. Talk to you later, goodbye, these kind of responses. Similarly for age and also name. So basically I trained with these simple data. And let's see the main.py. Before checking out the code, let's do one thing. Let's have a glance through the code first. We would be basically using many modules for this. We basically build this project using Python language, and we do this using deep learning and neural networks. So it involves a lot of stuff. Let's run this code once. Since there is a lot of data, it takes time to train the data. Till that time, we will just check what are the modules used. One is NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. This is a deep learning tool, and in that we would be using Lancaster Stemmer, and the modules are NumPy to rearrange the words which we give, and TFLearn, and random. Random is for giving different kinds of output. JSON for this, and Pickle. So basically, we'll be using all these modules over here, and then the training of the data starts. We check whether the data is already present. If it is present, we use it directly. We just assign all these labels directly from this load, like f which is already present. Else we train it. Okay. So in this way we train the data completely. We would train all the intents. We load all these intents file into the training data, and we would be using stemmers over here mainly, the Lancaster stemmer, and then we will be using TFLearn. So model.load model.tflearn. So we'll be, after the completion, like we will be using that tflearn model which is created over here. You can check. So here it is created. The model files are automatically created when the data is trained, and we would be declaring few functions in between to train the data, because like there are multiple words in the response. Each word need to be matched, and then like if many words get matched, then we get the corresponding output. Else you would be getting an error kind of thing, which we will just check out. And this is a chat function where we would be like the main function which we are using. So here, like if we input quit or end, then it will break the loop. else we would be checking out the with these functions, and if our result section is with more than zero point 0.7 probability, then we would be using we would be getting out the response, like that particular response for that pattern. Else it will print I did not get that, try again. So yeah, this is the thing. Let's run the code again. Meanwhile, we can just check intents file also once again. Yeah, you can check the data is checked completely, and now it is asking to start talking with the bot. So now we can give the input. Hi, see you again. Hello. Hi there. How can I help you? Let's try hello again. Yeah, this time it gave hello as the response. Let's try hello again. Good to see you again. Yeah. So we got three different kinds of responses for the same hello. Let's try something else. What is your name? I'm Sharat, also known as Mr. Sharat. Let's do again. What is your age? 20 years young. Let's try age again. 20 years young. How old are you? 20 years young. Time. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Talk to you later. So you can see there are different responses coming to the same input pattern because we trained it using random. So yeah, there are print random choices. So in out of the response sheet, we will be getting random kind of response for the input which we give. So if we click and end, the loop breaks over here and it is stopped. So in this way, we would be using the deep learning, and also like neural networks to train this particular intent.json file, and then test it using our Python code functions. I hope you understood everything, and also you can check the code which is over this GitHub link. I'll be putting out the link in description. You can check out all the code over here in the chatbot. The main.py is the Python file which would be having all the code, and intents.json is this kind of training data, and the rest of the files are automatically created when we run the code. So yeah, that's the thing. I hope you understood everything. Thank you for watching this video.